on, everybody? It's your boy General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And man, today we got a quick review for y'all, just something fast. We got the Jordan 3 Cardinal Reds from my boy Trader Joe's. He sent these over for a review and I wanted to get these. They recently came out not too long ago, maybe like a month or something like that, maybe less than a month. And I wanted to get these joints just to kind of show you the differences, show you what I like, show you what I dislike. These joints, they really remind me of the Katrinas because of the red, but it's not quite the same red. It's more similar to more of like a candy apple reddish color. But ultimately, the design of the shoe itself really reminds me of the True Blues that came out. So the True Blue joints that came out, that is what these look like. The True Blue joints that came out, or the Knicks Jordan 3s that came out. So, you know, those are the ones with the elephant print here and all of that other stuff. But before I really jump in and break down the shoe, just remember that this is a UA shoe. It's not a retail. I'm just showing you the differences between the retails and the UAs, just to show you so you don't really get scammed. If people like UAs, by all means, go ahead and indulge, do what you got to do to get your kicks. But if you do want the retail, you can kind of still get these for a pretty reasonable price. I think they're like in the $250 range, so not too bad. They haven't gone up too crazy, but I'll put the prices on the screen for that. But like I said, this is an educational review. I'm just showing you what I got from my guy Trader Joe's. Before we get started breaking the shoe down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Follow me over on that Instagram and make sure you guys join the Discord. I see a lot of people joining. I really appreciate it. Let's grow the community together and let's keep getting more people to join. So there are a couple flaws on the shoe. I think structurally there's a couple flaws on the shoe, but we'll point those out and then we'll keep it pushing and jump into this on foot. So Cardinal Red, you got a primarily white upper. You got some tumbled leather here on the upper. You got some flat leather here going around the mud guard. We still kind of do have that basic elephant print, and in my opinion, whatever elephant print they used for this specific batch of shoes, this is more so correct than some others that I've seen in the past. I like this elephant print a lot more, albeit it has a couple, you know, marks on it, which, I mean, it doesn't really bother me. It might bother you guys, but it doesn't bother me. And it's not all over the shoe. I mean, there's some spots here that don't have it. There's a couple parts in the front right here around the mudguard that don't really have it. But generally, I mean, I think right here, you're gonna see these little blotches that I think, you know, they're not on the retail. So let's just be honest, that's a flaw in terms of that. But people need to understand that these pieces of leather, these are like pieces of leather and they're sheets and they cut it out and it's one piece on another and it kind of rubs together. So that's probably why they got those little marks there. But other than that, I mean, it's nothing that people should cry over, but that's something that you might get if you get a UA. All right, so we do have the elephant print here around these eyelets. Like I said, the True Blues do have this part here, and also the Knicks one has this part here. I think there's a couple others I just can't really remember, but that's there. That's the main thing. We got some yellow in the eyelets, and then we got some red going up to the top. We got some red. I really do like this color red. I think it's nice. The toe box has always been an issue with the UA3s. I don't know why, but ever since they changed from the more boxier style back in like the early 2000s and the mid 2000s, now they have like the lower cut. They still haven't perfected this, and I don't know why. Also over here it's supposed to slope down a little bit more, but this is more reminiscent to like where you would see on the True Blues or something like that. This is that boxier style toe box, and now it's more of like a curved toe box, which this doesn't have. So that's one thing that's kind of going to be annoying for you, but to me, I think it's fine. Going to the medial side of the shoe, you really do have that nice red. There's no gloss in it or glitter in it, but as you can see, you still got that high gloss finish on there. In the light, the red does look a little better, but you know, we're in the room, so you know, we don't have natural light in here, but it does look good. It feels good to touch. Got our air unit and the outsole. I do like the outsole. I do kind of wish this Jordan sign right here was yellow, because they have hints of yellow on the shoe, but I'm not complaining. It does look good. And the heel of the shoe, you have the Jordan logo with the air, and that looks okay. Nothing to complain about there. We have a white tongue, and then we have our gold Jumpman logo right there. Looks pretty good, so not bad. And then inside of the shoe, we have our sizing tag right here. Standard shoe tree comes with this joint, and then we have a standard Jumpman logo in there. So not too bad at all. Very nice shoe. It looks pretty good. I can say that the leather quality is very nice. It's kind of soft, you know what I mean? You got that nice soft leather. Y'all know I like tumbled leather. It's pretty good. It does fit true to size. I don't have any real complaints about the shoe. It's just, you know, the main thing is with the threes, the UA threes specifically, they haven't quite perfected it yet. So, you know, you got to bear with them. They're trying to figure it out. They may figure it out. They may never figure it out. But if you like your shoes and you just like wearing your shoes despite any of the small flaws, then you're good. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a solid 8. I really like it. It's another Jordan 3 for me. And these things have grown on me a lot over time. And they're really comfortable. So I'll give it a solid 8, and I'll also give it probably like a 7.5 for craftsmanship, just because they haven't really gotten the toe box right. And then I can't ignore these little marks right here. I can't really ignore those little marks on the elephant print. So I'll give it a 7.5. But overall, I like the shoe. I think it's dope. So, you know, that's all I got for this review, y'all. I hope it was informative for you guys. Go ahead and hit us up on the Discord. Make sure you join. I'll see you in the On Foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Okay. Here I am. Hold up. It's a little late. I'm dealing with this new camera, so y'all got to bear with your boy. Hold up. It's a little bright. That's a little bright. Ooh, that's a little better, I think, right? It's really bright out here. Got a new camera, so I'm trying to figure out how to use this thing. I never really had anybody show me how to use one of these joints, but you know, it's a new day, it's a new time. You know, I kind of got tired of shooting my videos on my phone and then people calling. Like, they would call and I'd be like, yo, you just messed up my shot.
They're like, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you when you were doing your video.
I'm like, yeah, it's cool. What's up?
I still got to get used to the lighting and dealing with all of this lighting. I'm back on the trail too, y'all. Y'all peep? Just trying to get this quick video out for y'all. All right, y'all, so look, we out here back on the trail. I do have the Cardinal Reds here on deck. I'm trying to make sure that the camera can really get you guys a view of these joints. This is kind of my first time recording with this camera, so bear with me. The lighting might be a little crazy, and it is really bright out right now, so I just want to show y'all this joint real quick. But these are the Cardinal Reds. These are dope, y'all. These are really dope. Not too bad, y'all. Not too bad at all. Very dope shoe. The elephant print is still a problem with all of the UAs, as you guys know. But, you know, just bear in mind, they trying to perfect it. They will eventually, I think, but we'll see what they do, all right? Let's jump into this On Foot, though, because we got more shoes to do. So let's jump into this On Foot.